Lionel Messi's story is one of talent, determination, and a sprinkle of magic. Born in Rosario, Argentina in 1987, Messi's football skills were evident from a young age. Despite a growth hormone deficiency, his dazzling footwork with the ball caught the eye of scouts. At 13, a life-changing move came. Barcelona, a giant of Spanish. Football saw Messi's potential and offered him a chance to join their youth academy, even helping him overcome his growth hormone issue. It was a gamble that paid off big time. Messi thrived at Barcelona, rising through the ranks with his incredible dribbling and playmaking. He burst onto the professional scene in 2004, and within a few years became a cornerstone of the team. Alongside teammates like Xavi and Iniesta, Messi formed a nearly unstoppable attacking force, helping Barcelona achieve a historic period of dominance. They won trophies galore, La Liga titles, Champions League victories, and countless others. Messi's individual accolades piled up too. He won a record-breaking 8 Ballon d'Ors, the award given to the world's best player.
Of course.
He became Barcelona's all-time leading scorer, weaving his name into the very fabric of the club. However, there was a longing for international glory with Argentina, the country he represented with passion. After years of near misses, including Copa America finals and a World Cup final defeat, Messi finally achieved his dream in 2021. He captained Argentina to victory in the Copa America, a moment of pure joy and relief.
Lionel Messi holds it aloft. Argentina, Copa America champions for the 15th time.
In 2021, after an emotional goodbye, Messi left Barcelona and embarked on a new chapter with Paris Saint-Germain. While his story is still unfolding, lifelong dream. Winning the World Cup was a lifelong dream for Messi. He came close several times, reaching the finals in 2014 but falling short. This led to criticism and immense pressure in Argentina. 2022 glory. Finally, in 2022, Messi achieved his dream. He led Argentina to victory, playing a crucial role and winning his second Golden Ball award for Best Player in the tournament. This was a moment of immense joy and fulfillment. There's no doubt Lionel Messi will be remembered as one of the greatest footballers ever to grace the pitch. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe the channel Wonders of Life. Subscribe for more content. Thank you, everyone. See you in next episode. Yai Fere, Yai Fere.